S Pen built-in is one of the best things you get on Samsung S22 Ultra. With the help of S Pen Screen Write, you could write on your screen. Once the function is active, it takes a screenshot of the current page and lets you write anything there. You could change the color and undo your text. With the help of Smart Select, you can take screenshots or select a specific part of the image. Once done, you could write on the image, save or share it. My favorite one is Translate. It translates everything for you. Hover your S Pen over any text and it will translate the word for you. With S Pen Plus button, you could edit the shortcuts that appear on your screen once you activate the pen. There are tons of other features in the S Pen settings. S Pens are Bluetooth enabled and can be used to control cameras remotely. Ensure that you are well framed. Snap a picture by pressing the S Pen button once. Switch between the front and rear cameras by pressing the S Pen button twice. Like and subscribe for more.